The grand challenge that we chose to focus on was the issue of providing access to clean water. This is an issue because there's not enough clean drinking water for those who need it. This is because developing nations and poor regions do not have the necessary resources to provide solutions for this issue. It is also because, due to their geographical location, people might not live next to a large body of water. This makes it harder to find adequate amounts of clean drinking water. With a lack of clean drinking water, disease can be spread because people are consuming the harmful bacteria and chemicals that exist in unsanitized water. It is important that people be provided with clean water because humans have to drink water. If the water source that people use is unclean, they have to drink it anyway because it is better than being dehydrated. Providing clean water is a problem because not all areas have access to the resources necessary to sanitize water. The current solutions that we have for sanitizing water can be very costly, so developing nations are unable to implement them. There are cheaper solutions to sanitize water, but oftentimes they are only temporary and they can be inconvenient. These temporary solutions are only prolonging the issue, not solving it. This is a problem that should be addressed because it is a basic human right to have access to clean water, because it is something we all need for survival.
So as for the engineering solutions for this problem, we believe it will require kind of a multifaceted approach, using initially small-scale solutions such as filter straws and portable filtration devices that use nanofiltration, like in the picture, and filter out bacteria and particulates from the water while leaving vital minerals. These can be distributed quickly, however they don't last that long, so they can be a temporary band-aid on the problem, though they won't fix it by any means. Large-scale solutions, such as desalination plants, is another method to solve it, and they can change salt water into clean water using thermal, electrical, and pressure methods, in addition to steam and reverse osmosis. And this can make it safe to drink. However, they have to be located next to an ocean or other large source of water, and are oftentimes very expensive to build and run. Lastly, conservation of water is an important way to provide access for clean water. So this can include methods such as drip irrigation, in which farmers drip water onto the plant's roots directly as opposed to just spraying it out over the entire fields, as well as improving urban infrastructure such that water isn't lost. And reducing water allows more clean water that we already have to be used by people that need it for survival.